how to show or hide suggestion strip in Gboard, Google Keyboard on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings App. Now in Setting, scroll down. Scroll down and click on General Management. After click on General Management, scroll down and click on Keyboard. After click on Keyboard, so click on Gboard and click on Correction and Suggestions. If you want to show and hide suggestion strip, so you will see suggestion strip is here. If you want to hide suggestion strip, turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see suggestion strip is hide. If you want to show suggestion strip, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see suggestion strip is show. So you will show and hide suggestion strip from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can show and hide suggestion strip in Gboard Google Keyboard on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.